Hey, it's Kurt again with LifterLMS. And in this lesson, we're going to talk about themes. So now we're getting focused on the overall design of the website. If you remember in our earlier lesson up top, we talked about plugins versus themes versus hosting. And we said that themes were kind of like the paint job or the livery on a race car. It's how you want the overall appearance of the website to be. Well, I'll jump into a screen share and I'll show you where the appearance is stored for your website. If we look at our dashboard, we'll go over here to appearance. When we click on appearance, it's going to open up our options for themes. Right out of the box, our demo site came with 2024 as a basic WordPress installation. We also get 2023 and 2022 as backup themes in case we wanted to use one of those. Now, activating a theme that's already in your website is pretty easy. So we can see that we can customize the theme by selecting customize. But if we wanted to change the theme, we could click activate. And when we activate that theme, it actually puts it into place. Now, you could always go and check out what that looks like on the front end, and you'll see that our website has changed in appearance. So that is something that you can take a look at right away. As we go back to our appearance, we'll go back to 2024 and we'll activate that and bring that back. The other way to check the appearance of a theme is to simply click on Live Preview. When we click on Live Preview, it allows us to almost feel like we're staying in that window to take a look. And we can see, well, what would that look like if I were to change themes right now? And then if you decide not to change that theme, you could just go back. So right here, it says activate. And then right here, it says looking for template parts, find them in patterns. That's something that we will see in a subsequent lesson. But we'll say right here, let's just go back. And this takes us right back to our theme choices. Now, what we're going to add to this site for this course is we're going to add a new theme called SkyPilot. So again, if we go to appearance and we go to themes, now we can click up here, add a new theme. To add a new theme, we can upload a theme, or we can search for a theme in what we call the WordPress repository. The repository is like a library of resources. So if we think about the lists that were on the LifterLMS recommended resources, we could do a quick search for themes off of that list. For instance, if we take a look, we've got SkyPilot, which is the one we'll be using for this exercise. But there's Astra, Buddy Boss, CourseMaker Pro, Divi, Genesis, Cadence. And so we could take any of these titles, put them into the WordPress repository over here where it says search theme, and see if it's available right on the repository. If it is, you could automatically install that and activate it. In this case, I want to show you how to upload a theme. So I'm going to click on Upload Theme. I am going to select the file that I need. And I'll go right to LifterLMS. This is a zip file for themes. Themes are not plugins. So plugins have to be installed in the plugin menu, and themes have to be installed in the appearance menu. But once I put that zip file in place, I can click Install. And we'll see that right away it goes to installed, and now I can activate it. And now we can see that it is part of our menu and it is activated. Now, if I want to go see that site, I can go right here and we can see that we've already affected the front end of our website. We have a different style to our header and our menus, and we get a call to action button, which is new. And this is what our blogs would look like. If we add featured images and we bring in, remember we made that blog post tutorial for WordPress beginners? That's right here. And the sample hello world is right here. And then of course we have our footer. So now we've got SkyPilot installed and the overall basic design of our site is beginning to take shape.